Hello, my stamping friends. This is Renee Novak at blessedbycards.com. I'm an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator in the United States, and I'm here today to share with you another Make It Monday tutorial. Today, I'm going to create 3 cards using the new You Are Beautiful stamp set that is available in the annual catalog. So let's get started with the first card. So for my first card, I used the new in color Summer Splash. This color here is the Summer Splash. That's the new in color in the annual catalog. And I stamped on a piece of white cardstock, the trust in the Lord with all your heart, and he will direct your path. And then I stamped those little florals from the stamp set, and I stamped once, and then I stamped again immediately to get that second generation or that lighter look on the stamp. And then I mounted the white to a little piece of black, and then on the inside I added a piece of white and again stamped that floral sprig and stamped it again for the second generation, that lighter look. And so that's our first card. Now, all of the supplies and all the measurements that I'm using today are available in a free project sheet download off of my blog at blessedbycards.com. So our second card, I used the Poppy Parade and some lemon lime twist and again a piece of white, and I stamped the Your Shining Light, and then on this same sprig, I used the same sprig, but on this one I took the Poppy Parade blend and I colored in those little berries. So I first stamped it in the lemon lime and then colored in the berries, and then I just added a few sequins. Hopefully you can see that on there, but you can add whatever bling you would like. And then on the inside, just a piece of white, and I didn't stamp a little sprig inside, but you certainly could, and then color those berries to tie in that inside. So that's our second card. And the third card I used, put it right side up. The third card I used the larger fern in that set, and I stamped it again in that Summer Splash. So I have a layer of Summer Splash and stamped in the Summer Splash to get a tone-on-tone look. And then I stamped again that same greeting in Memento Black, mounted it on a piece of basic black cardstock, and then put it on a white base, and again added some sequins, but you can add whatever bling you have in your stash. And of course on the inside you don't need white because this is a basic white card. So that's the third card. Super simple. So we bring back in those 3 cards, 2 of them using this new in color Summer Splash, and this one with the Poppy Parade and the lemon lime twist. So thanks for watching. Please join me again next week for another Make It Monday tutorial. And until next time, be blessed.